Espérate. Hey YouTube, Mr. Allen right here. Today we're gonna do a how-to video. So I have this LG TV that went out of lights, you know. Aquí parate, look at it. So let me get the camera angle going so you can see that's the model number right there. The LG TV. So I turn it on and it's just black. I probably haven't too many of you people. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and take off all the screws here. On the edge of the, I already started. We're gonna take out all the screws from the edge of the TV, and then also take out this middle panel here, the board that it stands on, so we can work and take this black piece off. So we'll be right back with you after I do that. All right, so to take this off, it just had 4 screws in it, and then this metal base, you just pull it out like this, so it came out relatively easily. And then we unscrewed everything else, all the other screws. There was a hidden screw right here, so y'all watch it right there for that one. And now we can take off this top panel. Be careful with the power line. Grab the power assistant. Let's make sure we don't do anything we don't want. We can just kind of put this down here. And so, from what all the videos say, they say that this is the problem. And so what we got to do here is we're going to take this one out. We see there's a few screws here to take off. And we're going to put it in our little toaster oven at 390 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. You put a foil on the bottom, put a cardboard, and then put a foil on top. And we'll do that next. So let me go ahead and take this apart here, and we'll go bake it in the oven. All right, so as you can tell here, I've taken apart all the switches here. So the piece is loose, see? This is a tricky one, this blue one. I'll be very careful, guys, that you lift this little tab up and then you pull it out. And same thing, when you put it in, you're gonna put it in and then just clip it down. And that's how this one functions. A lot of these were just pressed down here on each of these and then pull it out. Some were a little trickier than others since it's never been done or handled. But we got our piece here, so let's go get our oven heated up, so we can go ahead and put it in. All right, so here we are, guys. We have the motherboard. I just have a piece of cardboard that I took from this box. You want aluminum on the bottom, cardboard, and your motherboard here piece on top. And then we're gonna lay this other aluminum on top. Toaster oven set to 385-ish, roughly, and for about 10 minutes. This has already been heating up, so we'll just stick it in there, and hopefully that's all we need to do. We'll let it cool down for about 20 minutes after it's done. I don't want to burn my hand or anything, so just be safe. All right, so we got this out of the oven. It's been sitting there for about 20-30 minutes cooling. It's nice and it's a little warm, but it's all right. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this motherboard back into position right here. We'll connect everything up and let's give it a try, see if it works. All right, guys, so we have assembled the back panel. We've plugged it into the power now. Let's see if it turns on. Moment of truth. Cross your fingers. Fingers crossed. Hit this red button. Oh, it...
Oh, it worked for a little bit.
No, it's just loading. Let it load.
Oh.
Yeah, it's loaded.
It worked, Grandma.
Look at that. Yay! We have connectivity here.
Look, Grandma. Dude, it totally worked.
Well, now, according to this, it should work for about 6 months. So there you go, guys. Bake your motherboards. Fix your TVs. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to do it for you, charge $100. Otherwise, just do what I did. All right, we'll put on something for real so you see it works for real. Till next time.